Hey, welcome to class 4, which tonight's class is called Work Your Way with Words. So tonight you want to do two steps. Your first step is to mumble rap or mumble sing your song. So you're going to just play the track and you're going to start thinking of the melody, right? Because you know you have bars in a verse and you have bars in your pre-hook, and if you are getting music from a really seasoned producer, those are segments that you can actually count out. So tonight you're going to think about mumble rapping different melody lines that would work for your verse, for your pre-hook, and for your hook, and for your bridge. So I'm going to show you what mumble rapping sounds like. It is really simple. You are going to and again, trusty recorder, make sure that you're recording it on your phone so that you're getting those ideas down so that you can always go back to them and reference them later. So mumble rapping is a really good way of like marrying yourself to some melodies that you're finding in the track, right? But tonight you're also now taking your list, and after you've mumbled rapped, and you're like figuring out how to put those words into those melodies. So after you've mumble rapped a few times through the song, that should take you about maybe 15 minutes. Maybe you want to do it 3 times. So play the song from beginning to end and just mumble rap. Because you'll start finding words in your mumble rap, right? Because the melody is, you're letting the music speak to you as you songwrite. So words are going to come naturally. I always end up finding something from my mumble raps lyric wise that I use, because remember, you've done those other steps before. So now we're at the place where you've mumble rapped, and then you're going to start to really craft words to fit inside of bars. So my example, I wrote the moonlight's fading, I'm tired of waiting, time's been trapping me lately, been thinking of escaping. So if you remember the other day, like last night, we talked about time as a trap. So I changed it. Time has been trapping me lately, and it fits into my scenario and it fits into my song. So if you notice, it's slowly building into something that is dope and working, right? So, so let me show you how this sounds. Let me go back to 10 on here, because then I can show you exactly, maybe it wasn't 10, maybe it was 110. All right, so that would have been actually a perfect place to start right there. Okay. Donna, Donna. Let's go right here. All right, right after this chord. Okay, so here we go. Moonlight's fading, I'm tired of waiting. Time's been trapping me lately. Been thinking of escaping. Who am I really saving? Not you. Okay, so I want you to do that tonight. I want you to mumble rap first, and then I want you to start working on those lists and turning them into bars that are going to match what you mumble rapped with. So you're listening back and forth to your mumble raps, and you're also taking all those concepts that you recorded and you're beginning to make a song. So this is the first night where you're actually writing your song. But you have a total treasure trove of ideas that you've built up over the last few days to work from. So let's say that by tomorrow You want to try to have a full verse and pre-hook and hook so that you are now halfway through your song. Because remember, when you get to the second part, you're just repeating those melodies for the second verse, for the second pre-hook, and for the next hook. So try to have a minute and a half of song by tomorrow so that you can really start practicing that. If you write a whole song, you're a G. So do your best tonight. Yeah, tonight is when the rubber hits the road and you're putting it all together. So good luck to ya. Peace, love, smile. It just makes things better. All right, people. See you tomorrow.